Hi there, my name's Thomas. Thank you for checking out the channel and especially this video. I'm going to be doing a review on TweetX for you today. TweetX is brought to you by Jono Armstrong, one of the leaders in the industry, so I'm a little bit excited to be able to show that to you today. Hope that you would enjoy it. If you get any value at all from this video, I would appreciate a like and a subscribe so that I can continue to bring videos like this to you in the future. Make sure you hang all the way to the end so I can show you some special bonuses that you can get right here, and one more at the very end that I won't get into right now. So let us check this out. This is TweetX here. This is the sales page. This is Jono Armstrong. He goes into a bit of a explanation about it, but I'll explain that myself, so we don't really need to go into that. This is TweetX. This is the members area right here. The very first thing on it is an introduction. Explains what TweetX is and how it works, and I'll go into a little bit. It is a two-step system. It is traffic and ways to monetize offers. If you have traffic and an offer to give, that's how you make money online. So the first thing is the traffic part is a Chrome extension. You click on here, it'll take you step by step how to install the extension and how to work it, and it works through Twitter. And the three different areas that they're talking about here are your follows, your tweets, and your direct messaging. And I'm going to show you the extension here. So let's pull up Twitter. So here is a Twitter account, and your extension, after you get it installed, is going to look something like this. Again, here's your follow, your tweet, and your direct messaging. I've actually got all my follows. You're only allowed 100 follows a day, but I'll show you how it works anyway. Whatever your niche is, whatever it is that you're selling, your offer, you're going to want to find it. If it's money online, or if it's dog groomers, or how to lose weight. Doesn't matter. You do this, you click start. It'll error out on me because, like I said, I've already hit the 100 followers, but it'll find people with or matching these words, and you'll follow it, and that'll give you a bit of an audience. Once you have got an audience, then you want to tweet. Here's where you're actually going to tweet out your offers. So again, if it's, let's say it's affiliate marketing, what this is going to do is going to find, like this guy here is learn affiliate marketing, and you're going to tweet a response to this for how many ever people you set up, and here's what your tweet is going to be. Check out this offer. It has helped me and works great. Then you put your affiliate link here, and it goes out to as many people as you have picked here. But that's the traffic side of it. Where is the offer? All right, that is where we're getting into the done for you campaigns. So if you click on the done for you campaigns, that's going to take you to this page here. This is the my bonus page generator. So you're going to need to start off by finding an offer. You can go through any of these. These are mostly through Warrior Plus, although some of them are JVZoo, I believe, maybe even ClickBank. So you may have to. I think it's just JV and Warrior Plus. You're gonna have to search between the two of them. I'll show you how to do that. I know that Optimized, I do have approved, so every one of these have got to be different for the system work. So if you just try Optimized, it's already going to be taken. So let's come up with another number. Optimize. I'll write that down. one, and we need an affiliate link. So to get the affiliate link, this is a Warrior Plus. You go into affiliates, into offers, and you search for it. All right, optimized. And here it is. You click on it. You need to have an account already. If you need some help getting an account, please let me know. I'll be happy to show you a couple of videos on how to create an account. Once you have your account, your affiliate link will not actually be there until you have it approved. So the way to get it approved, you click here, which will be how you request your link, and you'll type, there'll be a box that'll pop up, and you'll type, hey, I would like to promote your offer, I'm so-and-so, and I have so-and-so training, whatever it is that you want to say, and then after a while it'll say that it's pending, and then after a while they will approve it for you. So all you do, this is your offer, copy, and you paste it into here. So that is your optimized affiliate link, and you hit submit. All right, and what that does is this creates a template for you. You copy that. There we go. And this is what it just created. Just in a few clicks, you have an entire bonus page with your affiliate link. The videos should work. And good to go. So now you have this offer with bonuses, and all you need to do is send it out to people that are looking for that. So you go to TweetX, and let's stick with 25 people. Check out this offer. It works great and getting good reviews. And then go to this address. All right, then all we're gonna have to find a search term that's gonna work. So let's try make money online, and we're gonna send them out, and the TweetX will do all the work. There's the first one. There's the second one. And it's just going to keep going until it hits whatever number that you requested. So that is basically it. That is how TweetX works. And then you will get whatever comes from that offer. So that is all that. There are high ticket campaigns. You can go through those. It even has a how to create your Twitter profile if you do not have one already. And then there are, of course, upgrades. So here is my bonus page. Told you that I would be offering some bonuses. The first one is Equinox. Equinox is its own software that allows you to find, buy, and monetize pre-built offers. It's pretty cool. It goes onto the internet. Here it is right here. It finds these dead links, shows you how to reactivate them. Everything's already built, so all you have to do is take the item, the offer, whatever it is, remonetize it, and send it right back to you. It's a very cool bonus. The next bonus, learn Facebook ads from the best. And that's this right here, another course that goes into Facebook ads and how to utilize them. The next one, how to make an email capture. That is this video here. Sorry, we got Alexa that wants to chime in.
Here's something I found on the web. According to estevettaylor.com.
We're going to bring her down to nothing. Anyway, so that was that bonus. The next bonus is the 7-minute system, which is this guy here. It's another full course, and it's about the two things we're just talking about here, monetization and traffic. And what else do we have here? So we got the special bonuses, which is this page here. Nope. This page here, which is the bonus vault. And it's just a list of a ton of bonuses that you can use in your own business, in your own, if you want to use them yourself or you want to give them away, or however you want to use them, they're all listed as well. So that is it. I hope that you appreciated the review. I think there's quite a bit in this program. TweetX seems to be well built. I have it installed and I'm using it. I will see what kind of results I get. I have a feeling that they're going to be pretty good. I promised you that if you hung out all the way to the end of the video, I would offer you one more thing, and here it is. You guys took the time to watch this video, and I appreciate it. Hopefully, again, like you said, if you got anything out of this, a like and a subscribe so I can continue to do this. But also, shoot me an email. I'm going to leave a link below to my email. I'm going to put it on the end of the video. Just tell me if you liked it, if you didn't like it, and if you do, I'm going to shoot you a free ebook just for taking the time to do that, because I know that the time is precious. So that's all the time I have today. If you're interested in this at all, click down below and check it out, and make sure to make every day count. Thank you.